Wiki of Science presents here a new data article, in this case on health claims and the balanced nutrition index of yogurts. This research is based on data collected by Perez Gonzalez in 2011. If we go to the article here and actually we check the methods, we can see that the research was done on a stratified sample of 344 yogurts, which is quite a large sample, actually a large proportion of the actual population of yogurts in New Zealand, covering different type of yogurts with different flavors and different levels of fat. The main variable in the study was the BNI, or the Balanced Nutrition Index, as assessed by that technology, and the main grouping or independent variables in this research were focused on health-related claims which may appear on yogurts, such as heart health, normally the TIC by the Heart Foundations in New Zealand, or claims like a whole grain, or even generic health logos, such as the Pick Me Sound logo used by PAMS for some of its products. When we go to back to the data here, and if we focus here on the table, which is probably the most illustrative to us, only one claim seems to be, or only one health-related claim seems to be used on yogurts, and this is the TIC of the Heart Foundation, which is basically a heart health claim. Here we can see that a few yogurts actually have such a claim, while a larger proportion of yogurts do not have such a claim. Still, is a large part of the sample which has that claim, and it's centered around between 80 and 90 BNI, while not having the claim is centered around 90 and 100. So it seems that having the claim seems to identify yogurts which are a bit more balanced than otherwise, and we can see that here on the medians, right? So indeed, having such a claim brings or shows us a median of 89 in the BNI, while not having such a claim implies a larger nutritional balance. This difference between those two groups is significant, so the difference in medians as well is indicative that this group seems to be more balanced nutritionally than this group, although the difference is not that high, so maybe that difference is not too important in practical terms anyway. And according to the correlations here between showing a claim and the balanced nutrition index, maybe only 21% of yogurts could be so identified by choosing those with such a health claim. Now, how does it relate to other foods? We're going to click here and go to this comparative table. We can see that yes, although maybe not too important in practice, statistically at least, choosing yogurts with a heart health claim may be better than otherwise, while in comparison, for example, breakfast cereals with such a heart health claim like the TIC basically doesn't help identify better cereals.